Today I am going to talk about progress and matter elements. The progress and matter elements are designed for output data that is developed by JavaScript. These elements are designed to display data in progress bar or matter form. This is good semantically, and these elements also make it easier to display the data graphically. This is the attributes of progress and matter: high, low, minimum, maximum, optimum, and value. High, the point at which element's value is considered the high point. Low, the point at which the element's value is considered a low point. Minimum, the lower limit of the elements. Typically, this will be 0 to percentage maximum, the upper limit of the element. Optimum, the point at which the element's value is considered optimum. Value, the current value of the element. I'm going to write progress in H1, one more H1, matter, progress, maximum 100, value 70, and close the progress. This one is supposed to be here. Now I'm writing matter, maximum 100, value 90, optimum 50, height 100, close in tab matter, save. This is result of progress and matter. I hope you like my tutorial. If you like my tutorial, please subscribe my channel and also click the like button.